Catch my chance, words of a girl, feeling electric.